Hey everyone, today we are going to master the craft of adding subtitles to your videos for free. So yeah, let's begin. First of all, you gotta go to your browser and type weed.io. It's not the weed which you smoke. Create your first video. Then after it's done, you gotta be patient because it's a website. Sometimes it loads slow. Then you gotta upload a video. After that's done, you gotta see, yeah, this is my video only. If you want, you can also edit your shorts in we gotta go to subtitles, add subtitles, create subtitles. It can take a while basically. So yeah, you just gotta be patient. Depends on how big your video is, this rendering time. So as you can see, it provided me with the subtitles new and create a sequence, and after that you gotta select digital SLR. There's a mistake here, so I can also edit it from here. 1080p. You gotta select digital SLR 1080p. You can go to styles, you can select many styles. There's so many options in it which you can choose from, and it works pretty fine. Yeah, then after that, once you've done all this, there's so many presets which you can choose from. You can choose so many fonts, styles, animations. After that, then you gotta go to done and export it, and that's how you'll get your subtitles for free.